Hello, so today I'm going to show you how the app works. Firstly, we've used AngularJS and nodeJS for all the development, and on top of that, we've used Electron, which is used to build all the native applications. And it also lets us package the whole application into a .exe or a .app file. That is, you just have to double click on this to make the app to run. So that's how Electron works. And basically, we have built two modules. One is the main page where you can see where the employees are, and then one more of a flexible module that is called a config module, which lets you configure each router to a specific place. So once you get this code, it is like a one-time process. You just have to go into the configuration module and just config each router in the office to a specific place. That is where that router is located. So this lets the whole application to be scalable. So you can just, once you get the source code, you can just do npm install, and then the package.json will take care of all the dev dependencies, and then you just have to do npm start. Either you can do that, or if this .app file is provided, you can just double click on that. So first I'll show you how the main page works. So I'm just doing npm start, and this will start the application, just a native application. So once this fires up, it makes a call to get all the data. It makes a backend call. So we're using Node.js to handle all that, and a MySQL database. So what it happens is, and there's one more thing that we do, that is, we make a request every 15 minutes to the backend to say that this is the Wi-Fi MAC address that I'm connected to. That is the router MAC address. So what happens is, every 15 minutes, wherever he goes, the router is connected to is already updated in the DB. So every 15 minutes, all those dynamic changes happens in the background. So this is the main page UI. So this is the simple search bar, and all the search results will come here. So we haven't populated it yet because there's nothing in the search box. So once you start typing for a person's name, the search is based on the person's name. So once you start typing someone's name, the data is shown out dynamically. So as you can see, I just type P, and all the things that contain P are shown. As in, I just put A, and this is how it works. So now I'll show you what happens if you have to know details about. So I just go there and I just click on that, and I just give the details of the whole employee. That is the name, the ID, and where his location is. So it works for every employee, and the location which is fetched from DB. So in the background is already a process that makes a request every 15 minutes. So this will change once you have come. If he has changed this location, and you come to the app and press here, and you can just see the location has changed. So this is how the main page works, and this part is fixed. So if you get more names, this is made scrollable. So because now there's only 4 persons name here, which is the test data, so it's not scrollable. But once the whole data fills in, this will be scrollable, so you can just scroll over anything. So this is the main application. And one more module is the configuration module we have built, that is to let you configure each router to a specific place. So I just double click. So I'll show you how to run this using the package builder. So that is how the packaged app, you just have to double click on this. I showed you how to run using npm, that is just to do npm start, and now this is just double click. I've already opened that, so I'll just show you. So this is how the configuration module looks. So it just says you're connected to this Wi-Fi right now, and these are all the mappings that you've already done. So that is, you've already configured that router 004 is in block 004. So once you can know if it's connected to a router, you can know which place he is in. So this is the mapping, and this is as usual the search bar that lets you filter the whole search result. And there's this add button that lets you add a user. So I've just given some value. So this is how you add a user. So I just do test4 and test4, and I'll just configure that a router name test4 is in a location named test4, and then it comes back to the main page with the updated values. So and then there's one more option, like if a router is moved from one location to one location, the application should not fail. So so here you can just update the value of present router. That is, the router name is test4 and it was supposed to be in location test4, but the location now is changed to test5. So you can just configure that and you can just update that. So now it says test4 has moved to location test5. So this is one module, and also you have in the add, if you are connected to a router and you just have to configure that router is not configured yet. So what you have to do is you just have to copy paste this. So that is the whole. So you just say, okay, this router I'll just configure it to be somewhere. So that is how that works, and this is about the whole application. Thank you.